Hey, what's up, Holochain holders? So, Holochain holders doing one big mistake in the last day of this month. You know what's the mistake? The mistake is, my friend, I will explain you just only in this video. So, you need to like this video and subscribe this channel. Before I get started the video, I have one request: please like and subscribe. Let's predicate this coin, and absolutely, I will update you, my brother, to what's going on this time in a Holochain. People are starting selling, people are starting buying. So, you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. My brother, last 1 month chart is all. I already opened it because, my brother, you can see here I already check out, my friend, this to what's going on. Can they will give me a profit because I am also holder of a which Holochain. So therefore, my friends, so I make a very fastly videos, my brother. You can see here very urgent now. So if you can say, my brother, Holochain is completely fails down, especially from last month, my brother. You can see here not just Holochain, all crypto market. I said, my friend, I think all crypto market is very badly falls down. So what's the main reason? Can there is a chance to in June they will hit, my friend, again the old target or not, my brother? So please you also share your opinion in a comment box. And my opinion is that, my friends, please don't sell it, hold it, because, my friends, the price is going to be very fastly increase, or just in only, my brother, you need to wait for a good time, my brother. If they're starting upward, then exactly use go now and sell it. Absolutely, they will give you very good profit, my brother. So kindly like this video and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.